In the oil and gas industry, equipment failure isn't just expensive, it's catastrophic. A missed inspection, a delayed maintenance task, a critical asset with no documented service history. In 2005, at the BP Texas City Refinery explosion, 15 workers were killed and hundreds more were injured. The investigation revealed that critical process safety information was incomplete, maintenance procedures weren't properly documented, and warning signs were missed because there was no centralized system tracking asset conditions. That disaster cost over $1.5 billion in fines and settlements. But the real cost was 15 lives that could have been saved with proper maintenance management. I'm here to show you how eWorkOrders CMMS transforms maintenance operations for oil and gas companies, from field service operations to processing facilities and refineries. Our platform gives you the documentation, scheduling, and compliance tracking you need to prevent failures before they happen. This ensures that every critical asset is maintained to the highest safety standards. The oil and gas industry operates in one of the most demanding environments on Earth. Your equipment runs continuously under extreme conditions, high pressures, corrosive environments, temperature extremes, and the margin for error is zero. But managing maintenance across these operations is incredibly complex. You're dealing with thousands of critical assets spread across multiple locations, from wellheads and pump stations to compressors, separators, and processing equipment. Field service teams are constantly on the move, servicing remote equipment where connectivity is unreliable. Documentation is scattered. Some maintenance records are on paper, some in spreadsheets, some only in a technician's memory. When regulatory agencies come calling, you're scrambling to pull together inspection records, maintenance logs, and compliance documentation from multiple sources. And the stakes couldn't be higher. Equipment failure can mean environmental disasters, worker injuries, massive production losses, and regulatory fines that run into the millions. You need more than just a maintenance system. You need a comprehensive safety and compliance platform. That's exactly why oil and gas field service companies and facilities across the country trust eWorkOrders. That's exactly why oil and gas field service companies and facilities across the country trust eWorkOrders. Our cloud-based CMMS gives you complete visibility and control over every asset in your operation. Track comprehensive maintenance histories for every piece of equipment, from installation through decommissioning. Know exactly when each compressor was last serviced, which valves have been inspected, and which assets are approaching their next scheduled maintenance. Every work order, every inspection, every repair is documented in one centralized, secure system that you can access from anywhere with internet connectivity. Our automated preventative maintenance scheduling ensures nothing falls through the cracks. The system generates work orders based on calendar schedules, operating hours, or cycle counts, whatever makes sense for each specific asset. Technicians receive notifications when maintenance is due, and supervisors get alerts when deadlines are approaching or have been missed. You can prioritize work orders by criticality, ensuring that your most essential safety systems always get attention first. For regulatory compliance, eWorkOrders becomes your single source of truth. Generate detailed audit reports in minutes, showing complete maintenance histories, inspection records, and compliance documentation. Track certifications, permits, and regulatory deadlines. Store safety procedures, equipment manuals, and process safety information directly in the system, accessible to any authorized team member who needs it. The system also includes powerful inventory management to ensure critical spare parts are always available when you need them. Track parts by location, set reorder points, and eliminate the costly downtime that happens when you're waiting on emergency shipments because nobody knew the warehouse was out of a critical component. Our GIS mapping capabilities let you visualize all your assets geographically, perfect for field service operations managing equipment across vast territories. Click on a wellhead on the map and instantly see its maintenance history, upcoming scheduled work, and current status. Oilfield service companies are already using eWorkOrders to manage their critical assets, improve response times, and maintain the rigorous documentation standards this industry demands. They chose eWorkOrders because we deliver the enterprise-grade reliability and security they need. Our system's ease of use get their teams productive from day one. In the oil and gas industry, proper maintenance management isn't optional. It's a matter of safety, compliance, and operational survival. If you're ready to bring your maintenance operations into a modern, centralized system that protects your people, your assets, and your bottom line, we're here to help. Contact eWorkOrders today to discuss your specific operational needs and schedule a free demonstration. We'll show you exactly how our CMMS can help you prevent the next disaster, not just respond to it. Visit eWorkOrders.com or call us directly. Let's make sure your maintenance program is as rigorous as your operation demands.